2022 Ford F450, 6.7 power stroke. And for a custom wheel set, Corleone Forged dually. Black face, polished accents. Ooh. My boy G getting the man. Yeah. B Jizzle also going in, mine the last one. Yeah, Shizzle, what you got going this morning, bro?
Yeah, that last one, nigga. You got 2 more.
Oh, y'all got 2 more? Damn, bro, I thought y'all was on your last one. Yeah, them boys came out good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is going to be looking real good after it's done. Take a look at the factories real quick. Now, these are the Corleone Forged. This is what came on the truck factory. You can't tell me that ain't a major upgrade. Yeah, that's major. Oh, damn, bless you, thank you. Yeah, them boys gonna be upgraded. It's a little cap. Got the floater cap somewhere around here. I mean, not floater cap, it's a regular off-road cap, polished. I think they were still in the oven. Yeah, right here. Number uno, that's one cap. He's getting the polished black leather caps. That's another one. Oh yeah, big makeover. Big wheels. Big wheels in Texas, baby. Yeah. Them boys getting them, look at them. Yeah. Yes, sir. We back when it's on. When the car is all tires mounted, you dig? Alright, them boys gonna look good, bro. Come on, G, what you got left, bro? Doing a test fit in before everything is done, right? Before everything's bolted up, we're gonna make sure it's test fitted right, got room, ain't no play, it ain't rubbing. We look like we might have some little rubbing coming on right here, but we're gonna be good. Alright, so we got the 2 front ones on. Just waiting on the rears to be mounted on the replica. But it's getting there, yeah, we got the rear ones right here. Woo! The rear is looking good. Boy, this thing's gonna be. Oh yeah, it's already different. Oh yeah. Stay tuned for the rear. It's different, man. It's different. It's beautiful.
I have 26 inches
on a dually, bro. Chevrolet Viking. Yeah, that is different. You don't see this every damn day. Boy, Shizzle minding the last one for the rear. We're almost in there, boy. We almost there, boy. I think they got one on the side already. No, they don't. That's on Shizzle minding. My boy, Jesus. It's 2022 4x4 limited Super Duty Ford. That 4F 450.
4x4.
That V12 and that 760.
2.7 power torque.
Yeah, come get at me. Yeah, that's beauty, boy. Tip of the day, tip of the day. Tires mounted, balanced. Shizzle's getting the caps tapped in. Oh yeah, we getting it in. Somebody left the air gun right there. There's a ghost. We got a ghost over here, so. Hey man, come on man, take out them lug nuts, bro. Hurry up. Vámonos. We got the back mounted though. Oh yeah, that looks really good, bro. That's beautiful, beautiful. You know what beautiful is? Beautiful? That's beautiful. But that ain't the cow. That's the old cow. But it's looking good. Ooh. Out with the old and with the new, boy. Shizzle, what's the word of the day, bro?
I don't know.
You don't know? Work hard.
Yep.
That's 2 words. That's the word of the day. Shit. Yeah, yeah. That's how them boys do it, boy. They get them done, man. Man, this truck, I don't know, it's something different about it, bro. This fit me real good on it. I just can't wait till we get it down on the ground, see how it's rolling. Yitty. Boy, that Impala came out good. Yeah, that came out real good. Oh yeah. Finished results. Boy, that baby came out good. Woo-wee. '22 F450. In and out with the Corleone Forged dolly. Ah. Impala SS on Corleone Forged, Impala SS replica. Big floater cap exit, double X here. Oh yeah. Boy, that came out real good, ain't it, G? Look at them floater caps on it. Yeah, that came out good. Impala SS on the Corleone Forged Impala replica. Yeah, that thing came out good.